Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty, simple cowl. It works up very fast. You can do it in one afternoon. It's great for a beginner's pattern, and it's just a very simple yet elegant neck warmer. So for this project, you will need medium worsted weight yarn. I'm going to be making the cowl today with these three colors. I chose a gray yarn from Hobby Lobby's. I love this yarn. And then also Yarn Bee Urban Chic. This is Calyptus. And then I have Yarn Bee Breathe Deep in Ivory. This is so soft. I gotta get more of that. And then you also will need two buttons if you wish to put buttons on your cowl. These are about an inch large, and some threading floss or sewing thread to sew them on. Okay, so for this project we're going to need a size H 5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. To begin, we're going to start with our lightest color. I suppose you can choose whichever color you'd like to start, but I'm going to start with the ivory. If I can find the end. There we go. Okay, and we're going to chain 101. So now I have 101 chains, and I'm going to double crochet into the third chain from the hook, and I'm going to double crochet into each of the chains down the row. Now I've made it to the end of the row, and I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and we're going to work a double crochet into each stitch across. So we'll be doing that for this row and then for the next 3 rows, so for a total of 5 rows of double crochet for this first color. So go ahead and do that, and I will meet you right back. So now we're at the end of row 5, and we're going to switch to our variegated yarn and chain 2, turn, and we're going to double crochet into each stitch across for this row and for the next 4 rows, for a total of 5 rows in the variegated color. So continue to work in this way, and I will meet you right back. So now we've just finished our 10th row, and we're going to switch to our gray yarn and chain 2. Turn your work and double crochet in each stitch across. And we're going to continue that with this row and the next 4 rows for a total of 5 rows in the gray yarn. So go ahead and work that, and I will meet you right back. Now I finished row 15, and we're going to fold our neck warmer, and you can do left side down first or the right side. It doesn't matter. That's up to you. So I'm just going to fold one side over and then my other side so that it comes to a point here in the front. And if it's easier for you, you can fasten this off and line things up and then pick up a new stitch, or I'm just going to keep that last row intact there, and I'm going to go right over to where this lays on top and start just single crocheting evenly all the way around the bottom. So you're going to work through both of these ends here where they overlap and connect that together. And just work through each stitch. Okay, so I'm going to continue that all the way around, and then in each stitch around to the back, and then I will meet you right back when we reach the front. I'm going to slip stitch to join and chain 1. And for this last round, we're going to be working into the 3rd loop only, which is right behind the back loop. And we're just going to be doing a single crochet into each of the 3rd loops all the way around. So this is our front loop, back loop, and right behind is our 3rd loop. And by working in this way, we're going to get this really pretty texture that will be the edging of our neck warmer. Okay, so keep working in that way all the way around, and I will meet you back. Now we're going to slip stitch to join and fasten off, and go ahead and weave in all your ends. And then I'm going to get my buttons and just put a couple of buttons on and sew them on, and I'll meet you right back. I just went ahead and sewed on my buttons. So when you're doing the buttons, I would recommend doing it in the middle of your bottom 5 rows, and then the middle of your 5 rows here, and not getting so close up to this side. That is because when you wear it and want to fold over your collar, it will fold right here, and it won't be as nice if there's a button there. So when you're wearing it, it'll be just nice and cute, just like that. So I hope you enjoyed this simple cowl neck warmer. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.